Alright, gentlemen, this is Lesson 2, Video 1, Solving Equations by Adding. So there's a couple definitions that you need to be aware of. So an equation, it's a mathematical statement that two statements are equal. So 2x plus 3 equals to 6. That would be considered an equation. So in order for it to be an equation, it has to have that equal symbol in it. The second definition is a solution, which is a value or values of a variable that makes an equation true. So when you work out certain equations, you can get one solution, two solutions, or even more than that, depending on the type of equation that you are solving. And then I put down inverse operation. It's not necessarily a definition, it's just something that you need to be aware of. So it's using the opposite of a different operation in order to cancel out that original one. So addition and subtraction are considered opposites. Multiplication and division are also opposites, and those are the basic ones we're going to start with. And then as we progress through these lessons, we will get into more and different types of opposite operations. So the first example is to solve each equation. So A is negative 10 plus x is equal to 4. And the whole point of solving equations is to isolate the variable. And so our variable is x in this case, which means that we need to isolate it. Isolate means get it by itself. So we want the solution to look like x equals to something. So, like I said, this one's addition, so we're just going to do the opposite of minus 10, which is add 10. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other, so we're going to add 10 to both sides of the equal symbol. This one cancels out and gives you 0, so you're going to get x is equal to 10 plus 4, which is 14, so the answer would be 14. If we go back and check that, negative 10 plus 14 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4, and that works. So the second one is 2/5 is equal to m minus 1/5. And again, you treat it the exact same way as whole numbers. We're going to add 1/5 to both sides because we're trying to isolate the m, and that will give us 3/5 is equal to m because the 1/5 cancel. Now you need to rewrite that. It should always be variable equals. So m equals to 3/5, and if we were to plug that in, it would give us 2/5. So your two u-tries are n minus 3.2 is equal to 5.6, and then b is negative 6 is equal to k minus 6. Please remember in your interactive notebooks, the left side should have been the notes or my example and the definitions. And then the right side should be the u-tries. Also, start using more than one video on a left-right setup so that you can save some paper. And that's it. Good luck.